What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and beautiful day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to keep up on what's going on. In today's video, I am going to talk about the 5 best mods that you could possibly do to your Focus RS or Focus ST. Number 1, get a bigger gas tank. No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually on my way to the gas station right now. It would be beneficial to have a bigger gas tank. I think we have, 13.9 gallons in the RS, 12.6 in the ST. A little small, but it gets you from point A to point B, especially around town. Not so great for road trips. I find myself at the gas station maybe twice a week. A little inconvenient, but it works. All honesty, number 1, Cobb accessport. Must have for the RS or ST. A tune wakes this car up without a doubt. The best money you could possibly spend for the car is getting a tune. 93 tune, great. In California or places that don't have 93, E30 is a must. 91 tune will still be a big improvement, and obviously E30 is even going to be a bigger improvement than a 93 tune or E40. Since the car has been tuned, I've switched up tuners about 3 times now. Actually 4. I started with Mountune on 91. I wasn't very happy with it, so I switched over to Tune Plus on E30. I wasn't happy with their customer service, so I went back to Mountune on E40. The tune performed great, no complaints about it whatsoever, but I wanted to try something new, so I did switch over to Stratified. Got their 91 tune, which performed great. And now I'm on their E30 tune, which is just absolutely amazing. I can't get over how well it performs. Number 2 would have to be a front mount intercooler for the RS or ST. Overall, it's going to be the biggest power mod for your money. You can get most intercoolers between $400 to $700. Myself, I chose the Mountune unit. It's a 5-inch intercooler that you do not have to modify the bumper, so no cutting into the bumper or anything. There is other options out there, such as ETS, Mishimoto, CPE, I believe AirTech makes one. These are all good options, but I personally chose Mountune. It was the way that I wanted to go. I chose the B7 package, actually, and I don't regret any minute of it. So what's the benefits of having an upgraded intercooler? Well, there's 2 benefits. 1, you're not going to get heat soaked, and you're going to keep your charge temps much cooler. And also, you're going to have more airflow, more power. Just overall, a much needed mod for your Focus ST or RS. Number 3, I had a hard time choosing between number 3 and number 4, but for number 3, I'm going to go with a full exhaust system. So not only does it improve your power a little bit, this was actually the first modification that I put on the car besides a blow-off valve and mud flaps. Yes, I put mud flaps in the car. Why? I don't know. I like the look of it. I don't rally the car. I don't take it off-roading. I just like the look of it. They flap around in the wind. Definitely not the top 5 though. Anyhow, it's a full exhaust system, MBRP Down pipe with an ETS Extreme exhaust. It makes the car so much more fun. You get these pops, these bangs, this overall, you get those noises. Fun. put it at number 3. I could put it at number 4. It's something that was kind of tossed up there, but it has to be the Mountune short throw shifter. I just went with the arm. I didn't do the full short throw shifter yet, but I do plan on doing it eventually. It just makes your throw so much shorter, and honestly, it's just a better driving experience. The stock shifter is a little long. I believe the Mountune unit's like a 30% reduction. They do have a Cobb unit, they do have a JBR unit. You got options out there, but in my opinion, I believe the Mountune unit was the best. Paired with the WC LatheWorks knob that I have, it makes for a great driving experience, so I'm definitely locking that in at number 4. Number 5 would have to be, I'm torn between this, so we're going to do a number 5 and a number 6. We'll rank them both at number 5. One being the ETS cold air intake. The stock one is great, however, this is the only proven unit to have a power increase. That's not the main reason why I bought it. We own a turbo car. We want to hear turbo noises, so that's exactly what we did. I did have the Mountune intake on there before, but as I mentioned, the ETS intake is the only proven intake to make more power, so I upgraded to the ETS intake. Sold the Mountune one pretty much the day that I took it off. It's a beautiful looking piece, nothing against it, but I chose to go with the ETS to gain that little bit more power. Now the other modification that, is in my top 5 would have to be a blow-off valve. In my case, this is my 3rd blow-off valve setup. My first blow-off valve setup was a TurboSmart 50/50 blow-off valve. I was happy. I had a boost leak with it. I thought that was a problem. I was right. I got rid of it. I went to a Mountune recirculating valve. I was happy with that. A lot of turbo flutter, a lot of turbo noises, a lot of fun. But we moved on to something better than both of them. We went with the CPE Exhale Kit. So pretty much a charge pipe with a Tial 50mm blow-off valve mounted directly to the charge pipe. Overall, the best sounding blow-off valve on the market for the RS, in my opinion. Let's hear it. Of course, this is not a power mod. This is just a fun mod that you have to do for your RS or ST. They make the kit for both cars, and I really enjoy this one. Sounds insane. But I love it. Can't get enough of this car. It literally keeps a smile on my face every time I drive it. I really couldn't ask for a better car. Or a more fun car. That's the main thing about this car. It is fun. Sure, I could get faster, a lot cheaper, and keep this as a daily, but what's the fun in that? Send it. Alright guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your top 5 mods for your ST or RS. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And following me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to be the first to know exactly what's going on. Until next time, I'm out. Yeah, boy.